Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my 4 Kelvin 60 FPS virtual beach tour of Cala Goloritze in Sardinia, Italy. As you can see, the crystal clear water and stunning white sand make this beach a must-visit destination for any beach lover. The calm and peaceful surroundings make it a perfect spot for sunbathing, swimming, and relaxing while soaking up the sun. This beach is located in the Gulf of Orozai on the eastern coast of Sardinia, and the natural beauty of this area is truly breathtaking. The surrounding cliffs and rock formations add to the unique charm of the beach and make for some amazing photo opportunities.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Walking along the beach, you'll feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soft sand between your toes. The sound of the waves crashing onto the shore and the gentle breeze in the air create a calming atmosphere that will help you forget all your worries. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to share your thoughts. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more virtual travel tours and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.